In this video, we will learn how we can convert the spherical coordinates into local coordinates in Leica Infinity software. The basic requirement for the transformation is we need to have a job in which we'll be having lat long values. So in this case, I'll be having GNSS raw data and I've processed it. So I'll be having these final values. The another requirement is I need another project which will be having a local value. So for that, I need to click File. I'll click on New Project. I have to give a name, so I'm giving it a name Local and just click Create. I can type the northing, easting and elevation values, but I also have the option to import, so I click on Import. I need to define a file ASCII. I have already created a file in CSV, so I'm choosing it in ASCII. I'm just clicking local coordinates. I've clicked on import. So my local coordinates of the respective lat long values is already imported. Now in order to do the transformation, I'm clicking on File. Then I have to click on Tools. I need to click on Coordinate Manager. I need to click on Manager. I need to click on Determine Transformation. I have to give a name. So it's spherical to local grid. The type of transformation we need to choose is one-step transformation. Height mode will be orthometric. Then you need to click on next. Here I need to choose a project in which I'll be having lat long values. So my project name is test. You can see the lat long values. Now in system B, I need to choose a project in which I'll be having local values. So I'm choosing it as a local. I need to click on match coordinates. Then my data from the spherical coordinates in lat long is compared with the northing easting values in my local coordinates. Then all the coordinates are matched and I'll be having the residual values of easting, northing and elevation. For example, if we compare the residuals in the elevation, it's within 2 centimeters. So if we are acceptable or the values are within the tolerance, then we can click on next. I have the option to create a coordinate system. So if I click here, a coordinate system by the name of spherical underscore local underscore grid will be created. I can tick on this in case I want to show the transformation calculation report. I click on finish. Now we can see the transformation calculation report. We have the option to save it, so we can save the report at a desired location. So just save it, close. Now my transformation in the name of spherical local grid is created. I just close this. So whenever we want to have the coordinates in a local grid, you just need to create a project and you have to give a name. But the extra thing you need to do is you need to select a coordinate system. So here you need to collect spherical local grid coordinate, which we have just defined. So by using this coordinate system, the lat long values will be converted into the local grid values. So this is the way how we can convert the spherical values into the local grid. Thank you very much.